everybody. Still got this, still wearing this in my little workshop. It's a chilly, a dismal day, quite awful. It's 20 to 3 in the afternoon and it is starting to get dark. We are starting to get our evenings coming in now. And it is also the December the 27th. We've had our Christmas Day and we've had our Boxing Day, and now we're having 2 bank holidays, so we're going to be doing nothing for the next 2 days. I am pottering around in this sewing room. I'm busy making something which I will tell you about in a coming vlog. And also I'm going to, this is going to be quite a quickish type of vlog. Those of you who enjoyed the Jacquie Lawson advent calendar that I did, I actually went to the last page of that advent calendar today, and they are offering a free download of something similar, and it's where you have a cottage and you design your own cottage. So what I'll do is after this I'll do a little copy of what they say, and I'll put the link down below of the Jacquie Lawson website where you can download it for free. Now whether you've got to be a member or not, I don't know, but I think it said when I was watching it, it said you don't have to be a member and you don't have to buy anything. So I'll put the link down below. They're obviously trying to get people to start using it and make more business. I am not being paid by them to do this. I just happened to notice that I use Jacquie Lawson for sending online cards to people. As you saw on Christmas Day, I sent you an online Happy Christmas card, and I just think she does she has a good website. So I thought those of you who are still wanting to know more, go follow the link down below and you'll be able to find out more about it.
Imagine your very own cottage deep in the English countryside, surrounded by a colourful garden and filled with comfortable furnishings and beautiful home decorations. A cottage where you can indulge your love of interior design while spending the occasional idle hour playing fun games. This is the Jacquie Lawson Country Cottage. You can download the Country Cottage to your Windows 10 or Mac computer, or get the dedicated app for your mobile device. It's completely free of charge for everyone. You don't even have to be a paying member of our e-cards service. Once you've installed the app on the device of your choice, your first task will be to have a bit of a clean-up of your new cottage. There's dust everywhere, and the garden is hopelessly overgrown too. This will take a while, and you may need to stop for a rest and play a few games, which is great because when you play games you earn rewards to help with the clean-up process. Once everything is shipshape, you can keep on playing games and keep on earning rewards. But now you can spend them instead on improvements to your home. New furnishings, maybe a lick of paint. You can even change the exterior. Maybe it's time to replace those old windows with something a bit smarter. Back indoors and you'll find a desk where you can sit and send letters using beautiful Jacquie Lawson stationery to your friends and family. And over the coming months you'll be able to buy expansion packs for the country cottage with new interior rooms and garden areas, so you can build the virtual home of your dreams. Why not download your free copy now?
And just a little bit about what we've done at Christmas. We had a lovely Christmas Day. We had, what did we do? Christmas Eve, his daughter came with the family, and then Christmas Day we went out for Christmas lunch. Not so sure, because we had a 3-year-old and we had a 9-year-old as children, and I paid for children's meals, and when they brought them out, they brought out basically exactly the same meal for the children as they did for the adults, and they were spicy meals. They were meals that the children didn't really enjoy. And so in a sense you're thinking, well, God, we paid for this meal and they're not eating it. But in another sense I'm thinking, well, if I was that age I wouldn't want to eat it. I think the youngest one had roast turkey, but I can't remember it was far too big. What they should have given was children's meals, and they actually gave adults meals to these 2 children. But other than that, it was a nice time. We had a nice time for lunch. Then Christmas afternoon we just chilled. Most of them, everyone fell asleep except me, and because the eldest one got a sewing machine. So I'm showing the eldest one all about how to sew on the sewing machine. And the rest of the family all was sleeping with their mouths open, catching flies. And then they went home on Boxing Day, early Boxing Day. We went to visit Mummy in the home, and his lordship's mummy in the home. And then we went to see his son, and we spent the afternoon and evening at his son's place. When I got home, his daughter sent me a little video, because apparently Daddy said he used to sew when he was at school, and when he went away, when they were heading home, he said, I'll be doing some sewing on this sewing machine. And he was dead thrilled, because apparently he did sewing when he was at school. He's a mechanic. He fits trackers to lorries and things, runs his own business. And when he saw the sewing machine, he said, I'm looking forward to getting my hands on it and making things. And apparently he's made a little bag. I haven't seen the bag, but he was sewing away, and I'll put a little video up of him sewing away, showing the daughter what to do. So I'm going to stop there, basically, because I'm going to get on with some sewing that I'm doing. And as I said, I'll let you see what it's like. But I'm going to have myself a little Jacquie's, which I love, and I'm going to have my cup of tea, and I'm going to sew. So I'll see you, maybe it's tomorrow, maybe it's in a few days' time, but I'll catch you soon.